Item number 4 is first class brickwork in superstructure. So we'll calculate the first class brickwork for superstructure only for the rooms, because in the veranda there is no superstructure wall. Only in the rooms there are superstructure walls. So we'll calculate only for the rooms, long wall and short wall. Okay. So rooms, long wall. Let us move to the drawing again. I have already told you there are two long walls for the rooms. Okay. And center to center length of the long wall, center to center length of the long wall for the rooms is 8 meter. So how to find out the length? For first class brickwork in superstructure for the rooms and long walls? Length of the long wall for rooms will be equal to center length of the long wall plus breadth of the brickwork in superstructure. What is the breadth of brickwork in superstructure? What is the breadth of the superstructure wall? 0.25. It is also given in the section also. This is the superstructure wall and the breadth of the superstructure wall is 0.25. It is given in this sectional view, it is given in the plan also, 0.25, 0.25. So, and center to center length I have already mentioned for the long wall for the rooms is 8 meter. So, the length will be center to center length plus 1 breadth. Center to center length of the long wall is 8 meter. Breadth of the brickwork in superstructure is 0.25. So 8 plus 0.25 is equal to 8.25. So under the length column we will write 8.25. Breadth we already have mentioned. Breadth of the superstructure is 0.25. And height of the superstructure wall is given in this drawing. It is given as 3.3 meter. Height of the superstructure wall is given as from height always will be measured from plinth level to the upper floor level. So it is given as 3.3 meter. So height is 3.3 meter. Number into length into breadth into height is your quantity. So we'll calculate for the short wall. How many short walls are there? 1, 2 and 3 for the rooms. Veranda we don't have any superstructure wall. So for the rooms, number of short wall is 3. Center to center length of the short wall. Center to center length of the short wall for the rooms is 4.25. So we need to find out the length of short wall, and the formula is center to center length minus breadth of the brickwork in superstructure. Center to center length of the short wall is 4.25 and the breadth of the superstructure is 0.25. So 4.25 minus 0.25 is 4 is the length. So under the length column we will write 4. Breadth we already know is 0.25. Height we already know is 3.3. So number into length into breadth into height is your quantity. Okay. But as we can see in this drawing, we have taken the superstructure wall for all these cases, all the 3 short walls and all the 2 long walls. But there are some openings also in these walls. For example, there are 2 windows and 2 doors, and in place of these doors and windows there are no brickwork because these are openings. So in place of the doors and the windows there cannot be any brickwork. So we have to deduct the value of the brickwork for these doors and windows from the total brickwork. We will deduct the value of the doors and the windows from the total brickwork. Okay. So how many doors are there? 2. How many windows are there? 2. What is the size of the door? 1.2 meter by 2.1 meter. What is the size of the window? 1 meter by 1.5 meter. So deduct first doors. Number of doors I have already mentioned 2. Size of the door is 1.2 by 2.1. It is given 1.2 by 2.1. Size of the door 1.2 by 2.1. So length is 1.2, height is 2.1, breadth will be same. Breadth will be the same because we are deducting what? We are deducting the amount of brickwork for the doors and the windows. So the breadth will be same. So length is 1.2 as given in the question, height is 2.1 as given in the question, and the breadth of the wall is 0.25. So number of doors is 2. So 2 into 1.2 into 0.25 into 2.1 is equal to quantity. Just like that, the number of windows is 2. And what is the size of the windows? Size of the window is 1 meter by 1.5 meter. Size of the window is 1 meter by 1.5 meter. So this is length and this is height. So length is 1 meter, height is 1.5 meter, breadth will be same as the wall. So 0.25. So number into length into breadth into height is equal to quantity. So we'll add this one, these two, and from the total of these two, we'll reduce these two. So this plus this minus this is equal to the total quantity. Okay.